to Brian.
Wow, he got some new Hot Wheels cars for Ryan. That's it? You don't have any toys today? Oh no! Whoa! Oh, what's up, Ryan? What is that?
The Truck Builder Limited Super Jump Launcher.
Wow, is that a new toy?
Yeah.
Wow!
So what's this for?
Look at that!
Look. You found a launcher here, then you press it here, then this goes here, then those go bouncing like this, and this go jump, and you go.
And you have to get it here into the bucket, right?
Say, hey, then where'd you got all this from?
Where did you get that one, Ryan?
Where'd you
I've been looking for that one.
That's
Where did you get that one?
I got that. Mama?
Yes. Look, you do it. Oh, that's cool, Ryan. So you're gonna do it through here. It's gonna go through this little tunnel, and then this one you pop it out. It goes out through here, then the ramp, and you gotta land it right here. Whoa, Ryan, that was so cool.
But not like that.
Wow, do it again, buddy. That was so cool. Ready? Go! Oh man, you need a fast car, Ryan.
No, we don't need a fast car.
Come on, Super Ryan. Whoa, good job, buddy.
One.
You're the best.
Other one.
You're good, Mr. Ryan.
Other one.
Come on, buddy. Oh. Yay! Look at that, Ryan made it. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Wow, Ryan, this is layout number 3. Look at that.
That's not the work.
Wow, you ready for that,
That's
Ryan?
not the work.
It's gonna work. Let's find out. Which one are you gonna do? The yellow one? Oh, you need a faster car, Ryan. Ready? Go! Whoa! Good job, Ryan. That was so cool. Wow, Ryan, that was cool.
Let's do that again.
Which one's your favorite one? Layout number 1, layout number 2, or this one? Number 3 is cool, right?
Now to do number 10.
Okay, let's do it again. Ryan, go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, dude. I think that one's ready for the race, Ryan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good job, Ryan. Come on.
Look what's gonna happen. A flying car.
Oh, no.
A flying car. Look at that.
Oh, no.
Oh, man, the crash, man, the drop.
Okay, so we're going to do layout number 4. So Ryan has to make it here. It's going to go here. And then here. Through the tunnel. Then through here. And the starting line. Are you ready, Mr. Ryan?
This is layout number 4, number 3.
This is layout number 4. Ready, Ryan?
Yes.
Go! Whoa!
Oh, no. We have to get that.
No, we have a villain blocking the road, Ryan. Crash him, Ryan!
Look his powers.
He has rockets there. Get out of here! Yeah!
Uh-oh. We made it!
Go down. Oh, you missed, Ryan. Yay!
One more time, Italy. The final of the Italy.
Yeah! Good job. Wow.
The final.
Ready, Ryan? Go! Good job, Ryan. You made it. Good job.
Here. You're gonna be a big trouble.
it was that boy right there in the wall. That little boy.
I think this one.
This boy did it. That boy did it.
Not me.
That's you. Thumbs up.
What's the name of your channel?
What's the name of your channel?
Magic Got Radicals.
Oh man. Wake up, Ryan. Say what about your friends? Super Ryan. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. The Super Mario. Wait.
What?
My baby.
Bye-bye, Ryan. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.